Hi, everybody. Ms. Lee here. We're going to go over the multiple choice Unit 8 progress check, Part A, number 9. Uh, so the question is in front of you. It says the velocity of a particle moving along the x-axis is given by v of t equals e to the t minus 1 and then minus 1. Which of the following gives the total distance traveled by the particle over the time from 0 to 3? Okay, so if we're looking at these, basically, since it says total distance traveled, you know that that means that you want the absolute value of the inside function, meaning that you want to take the integral of, and then you take like all the positives. Okay, and so if you're looking at these answer choices, the only one with the absolute values right here is A, but that is not inside an integral, so that is not what we want. And then if we're looking at part C, it just takes it like positive or negative, 0 to 3, which is also not what we want. And so you'll see here that there in between B and D, you have either a negative from 0 to 1 or a negative from 1 to 3. So what that does is it takes the negative and then it makes it positive because it does minus, and then it's supposed to be whatever the negative parts. That way it makes it positive. And so we want to see which one of these answer choices properly changes the negative sign. Okay, so let's go ahead and look. All right, so we're going to use our calculators. And so we'll go ahead and look at this equation, or so look at this graph. So e to the x minus 1 minus 1, I've typed that in for us. So we'll go ahead and graph this. And so what you'll see here is that the place where is negative, this graph is negative, is from 0 to 1. So you want to first of all split this integral from 0 to 1, and then the integral from 1 to 3. So we're splitting it at 1, and we're doing it from 0 to 1 and then 1 to 3. And so the issue is that the area from 0 to 1 is negative, but you want to consider everything as positive. That's what the absolute value did. And so to undo the fact that this is negative, you have to make it negative. So we do negative of this and then plus this because this is already positive. And that basically does the absolute value for you. So looking back at the original question, what we'll want to do is have the negative be from 0 to 1, and so that would be answer choice D. Okay, so your answer for this one is answer choice D. Go ahead and email me if you have any questions or come to office hours. Happy day.